All right, I'm with Miss Renita and her friend Linda. You guys drove all the way from Jonesboro. Thank you so much, Miss Linda.
Well,
And Miss Renita's got knee pain on both sides. You worked in a hospital for years. Thank you for your service. What's happening? What are you noticing with this knee pain? It's at a 9 or 10, 8 or 9, the pain level, right?
yes.
So what can't you do?
Well, I can't bend real good.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I bend, it hurts.
You take small little steps, I saw.
Yes, real small.
I don't like that. I want you to take big, natural steps, okay?
Okay.
And let's see. You want to improve your mobility. You want to decrease pain. And you just want to also improve feeling in your feet. That's our goal over the next 4 to 5 weeks.
Yes, Lord. Yes. Yes.
All right. So you'll give us a real review if we help you today, correct?
Yes, I will.
You got beautiful hair.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to see Miss Renita walk. Come on, honey. Just like you normally walk. Good. You have pain when you're walking. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to do the treatment. See how you do. That's what patients will say right there. Because this finds the areas of inflammation. All right, we just finished 600 soft waves with the stemwave device, Mr. Renita. You're gonna try out your new knees here. Okay, let's take a little walk. Let me see. Come on up. All right, good. Now be honest. All right, let her go. Let her walk around. Come on.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Hey, whoa, slow down, young lady. Come on. What do you think? All right, watch. Tell me the truth. What do you think?
I ain't feeling no pain. I really ain't feeling no pain.
Isn't that amazing?
Did you saw that?
Thank you for having faith. You drove all the way from Jonesboro. It's pretty cool. Remember, the next 15 to 20 hours, one visit doesn't fix everything.
I know. I'll be back Saturday. I will be back.
God bless you. Thank you.